Let's get you breaking news coming in. Some support also pouring in for Swati Maliwal. And the Delhi Lieutenant Governor has issued a statement on the assault case playing out in the national capital. Swati Maliwal has met with him, and soon after that, he lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying Kejriwal is evasive and dodgy. These are the words the Lieutenant Governor has used. He said Kejriwal is evasive and dodgy on the issue of the assault case filed by Swati Maliwal. And the Lieutenant Governor has also said that Chief Minister Kejriwal should come clean, and his silence as of now reveals exactly what his stance is on women's safety. So in the back and forth between the Delhi government and the LG, which nobody is new to really in the national capital, you're now seeing the Lieutenant Governor siding with Swati Maliwal, saying very clearly that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal must break his silence and that the onus is on him directly because he's being evasive and dodgy, as the Lieutenant Governor puts it. Let's get you now AAP's reaction to the LG's letter. And the Aam Aadmi Party are also rebutting the Lieutenant Governor right now, saying very clearly that the LG's letter only proves our point, only proves that yes, Swati Maliwal is working for the BJP. Now, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, there is the BJP coming up with one conspiracy after another in the elections, liquor scams, Swati Maliwal, false allegations of foreign funding. All of this, according to AAP, is a conspiracy by BJP against Arvind Kejriwal. And also now lashing out at the Lieutenant Governor, saying that now that he's spoken out of Maliwal, it's very, very clear that all of this is a political conspiracy. Let's bring in Shreya once again on this broadcast. Shreya, layers of political fight that we're witnessing. On one hand, AAP versus BJP. On the other, you have within the Aam Aadmi Party this massive storm because of Swati Maliwal being a part of the political outfit, also lashing out at the party. The AAP calling their own Rajya Sabha MP as a BJP agent. And now the Lieutenant Governor also wading into this entire fight and saying very clearly that Kejriwal is being evasive. So the Aam Aadmi Party is putting out all of these political fires, and which is days to go for the elections in the national capital. Remember that Delhi votes on May 25th. So those are the big updates that are coming in on this story. We've told you about the big political fight. We've given you the details on the investigation. As we continue to track this very, very closely, let's also get you more breaking news that's coming in, quickly shifting focus to this big news break.